quicksand, stupid jungle. I want to bite someone in the face, mother.
I do not like green eggs and ham. I be eating pears and stuff like that now. Dad, are you sure that's how the story goes? Yes, I'm sure that's how the story goes.
Hey, Ron. Hey, Billy. That hurt.
Bruh.
Hey, I want to be famous.
Okay, players, so like Big Sean says, I don't frick with you. That's what these electrons are doing, guys. They don't frick with each other.
It's so cold. It's 62 degrees. What are you talking about? It's practically snowing.
Alright, class, time to pass out Valentine's. Vladimir, no vodka! What do you mean, no vodka?
Did you clean your room?
Yeah?
Well, did you fuck your sister?
Yeah? I'm watching you.
Oh yeah, wait a minute, that's the postman. Hey, that's the postman.
Son, is that a bong? No, Dad, that's from my chemistry class.
No, it's from chemistry, honey. Yeah, our kids still suck.
Wanna see me do a double backflip?
No, because you can't.
Yeah, I can. Wanna see?
Sure.
Yeah, this shit was good.
My ass.
You okay? You okay?
This my shit. All the girls. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? Learn something from this.
C'est la 2. Wait, wait.
Yeah, let me get a sip.
Hey, what are you listening to? It's really indie, you've probably never heard of it. Can you play it? Fine.
Hey.
No!
Mom, there's only Halloween cookies. Where are the Christmas ones?
What's the difference? They taste the same.
But they're not the same!
Mr. Isn't a square root of 25/6? Bitch is 5, Pam das, please excuse motherfucker, dumbass Shaniqua.
Amanda, so.
I'm in love with the coco.
Hi, sir. Would you like to try a free sample? Wait, what? Do you like it? This is your hand. I know. Is it warm?